releasing to God is far, far lesser than what God has been having in store for you. Because the Bible said that he just, in fact, to a point that when Peter releases his boat, oh God, it's not only giving him blessing of fish. In fact, he became a kind of a disciple that carry his life in the later day. So, brethren, I want us to note in what we have studied, what we have read this morning, that, oh God, there is no any man that releases his life that regret in his life. So I want you to note that in what we have read. But I want you to say again, when you release your life, there is something God does with you. Look at what God has done to Peter. Paul did, and Jesus did exactly that have been the desire of Peter.